Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Shilpa Sathe and today I am going to give you angel card reading for the coming week, that is from 19th April 2021 to 25th April 2021. So I have already selected 3 cards in front of you. These are the 3 groups and there are 3 cards in each group. So you just have to look at the card and select one group intuitively for yourself, and that is your message from your angels to you. So these are the 3 cards for each group. This is what blessings angels are showering upon you in the coming week. This is what actions you can take in the coming week, and this is how crystal guides can help you in the coming week. So I have already mentioned timing for each group in the description column. You can check there and directly watch video for your group. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 1. Easy does it. Stop trying so hard to control everything and all the doors will open for you. So group 1, are you trying to force something to happen? That force is creating blocks and barriers for you. So angels are telling you to let go of that force, and in the coming week they are going to shower upon you the ease. Your things will happen with total ease once you let go of your control, or once you let go of trying to get things done. Just allow angels to work for you, and you just have to follow your intuitions and take actions accordingly. Don't try to force anything. Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming week. Blessings of abundance. So group 2, your guardian angel is telling you that you have already worked too hard to control the situation, and that has created a feeling of insecurity or fear or lack in your universe. So angels are telling you to consciously remind yourself of the abundant universe, and for that you can try some affirmations, or you can practice gratitude, and you can write down things which are already there in your universe, and that will help you to remember about the abundant universe. Now let's see how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. Dimension stone. So dimension stone is about playfulness, childlike energy, enthusiasm, humor, laughter, and all these are higher vibrations. See, there is if you can see, there is a face of child in this card. So all these are higher energies, higher vibrations. They will change your energies. They will help you to bring ease in your life. And do you remember the time when you were a child? You were never thinking about how you will get things. You just used to demand things to your parents, and they used to provide you with those things. So now consider universe as your parents, and ask universe whatever you choose to have, and universe will provide you with those things. It's just that you have to be that childlike energy and bring ease in your universe, and trust that there is abundance in the universe. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 2. Birthday. A significant birthday holds answer to your questions. So this card has come as a blessing, so you might actually get some good news on your birthday, or maybe somebody who is important to you, and if their birthday is coming in the near future, then on that day you might receive some good news or the answers you are seeking for. This card could also mean that somebody is going to give you a news of pregnancy, or you or somebody around you might come up with some new business idea or project, and all this will happen in a flow. You don't have to take efforts to give birth to these ideas of business or new project. It will come to you as an intuition, or somebody might come to you and tell you about this project, because angels are blessing you with this birthday card. So that means it will come to you. Now let's see what actions you have to take. Move. So you are going to get some good news in the coming week or in the near future, and angels are telling you to move in that direction. Whatever intuitions or whatever messages you will receive in the coming week through somebody or through your intuitions, you just have to follow them. There is also a possibility that some of you might move to a new home, and you just have to take physical action if some opportunity shows up. Now let's see how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. Clear quartz. So clear quartz is a master healer crystal. It amplifies the energies. It is to clear the energies, and it also helps you to grow. So whatever good news is coming to you, you have to take actions according to your intuitions, and clear quartz will help you to grow. So you can call upon the spirit of clear quartz and ask clear quartz to help you in your expansion or in your growth, and implement the ideas which are coming to you through intuitions. So that way you will be able to move yourself. Now let's see what blessings angels are showering upon group 3. New career. Your work focus is shifting in a positive, new and successful direction. Wow. So coming week angels are going to shower upon you some new career opportunities. Maybe some promotion or raise in salary, or maybe choosing altogether a new career, and that is going to bring some positive shifts in your life. How does it get better than this? What else is possible? Now let's see what actions you can take in the coming week. Faith. So whatever opportunities angels are going to shower you upon with, see there is a gold is falling upon that angel. So you are going to get abundance, or you are going to that career, new opportunity is going to prosper you. So you just have to have faith and take actions according to your intuitions, and grab that opportunity of career in the coming week. Now let's see how crystal spirit can help you in the coming week. Big's Bite. Wow. So Big's Bite is a crystal of courage and inspired actions. So in the coming week you are going to get some opportunities related to your career, and angels are telling you to have faith in those opportunities and universe and yourself, and Big's Bite will help you to have faith, increase your courage and take risk. It will also help you to speed up your things. It will give you a drive which is required to complete any action. So call upon the spirit of Big Bite, and it will help you to opt these new opportunities and get successful in that. So this was the card reading for coming week. Stay tuned for more such videos, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you will get the latest update of my all my videos. And if you like this video, please hit like button. Thank you.